Have you ever noticed how quickly a feeling can take over? Something small happens, a message, a comment, a memory, and suddenly your entire mood shifts. It's not always intense enough to call it overwhelming, but it's strong enough that it changes how you think, how you respond, how you move through the next few hours. And in that moment, it feels like you have two options. Either you react, say something, do something, try to release it, or suppress it, push it aside, distract yourself, move on. Most of us move between these two, but neither of them really settles the feeling. One spills it outward, the other holds it in. Writing offers a third way. Not reacting, not suppressing, just staying with it long enough for it to change shape. When you write a feeling down, something very subtle happens. You slow it down because thoughts race. Your handwriting, your typing speed does not. Instead of experiencing all at once, you begin to notice it in parts. What exactly am I feeling? Where do I feel it? What triggered it? Not in an analytical way, just in a noticing way. And that noticing creates space. A small distance between you and the feeling. Not enough to disconnect from it, just enough to not be completely inside it. There's kind of a steadiness that comes from that, because when you're fully inside a feeling, it tends to take over your thinking. But when you're observing it, even slightly, you have more room to respond differently. Reading does something similar. When you come across a character feeling something intense, you don't become that feeling, you witness it, you understand it, but you're not consumed by it. That distance allows you to stay with difficult emotions without being overwhelmed by them. Writing brings that same quality into your own experience. You're still feeling what you feel, you're also witnessing it, and that combination changes how the feeling moves through you. It doesn't disappear immediately, but it becomes less reactive, less urgent. Over time, this becomes something you carry with you. You don't always need the page. You begin to pause more naturally. You notice your reactions before they fully take over. Not perfectly, but more often than before. That's what emotional steadiness actually looks like. Not the absence of strong feelings, but the ability to stay with them without being completely directed by them. And writing builds that gradually. Not by teaching you what to feel, but by giving you a place to experience what you feel more clearly. If you think about it, some of your strongest reactions come from not fully understanding what's happening inside you in that moment. It's too fast, too immediate. Writing slows that down. It gives the feeling somewhere to sit. So instead of moving straight from emotion to reaction, you pass through awareness, and that changes what comes next. So don't think about controlling your emotions. Think about what happens when you give this feeling of a few minutes on the page before you respond to it. You don't have to answer it in theory. Just try it the next time something shifts your mood. Take a blank page, write what you're feeling before you act on it, even a few lines, and see what changes. Because sometimes the difference between reacting and responding is just one small pause, and a place where the feeling can exist without needing to be acted on immediately.